Hi, welcome back. So let's take a look at how we can use SQL Prompt to rename some of the objects within our scripts. So here I have a brief snippet of SQL code. And in this top example, I'm using aliases in this particular select statement. Now, I may want to rename the alias that I've used. So if I select one of these, I simply press F2 to go into the modification mode. And now I can rename this as desired. So for example, example alias. When I'm ready, either hit F2 or enter to close that. This also works with variables. So in this second example, I have a sample expression using a variable. Once again, I'll select the variable in question, hit F2, and now I can rename this as desired. And all instances of that variable are renamed appropriately. So that's a quick look as to how we can quickly rename our aliases and variables using SQL Prompt. Thank you.